amigos, welcome back to our channel. I am so happy to see you all here today as we get ready to dive into the essentials. Today I have a special surprise. On my behalf, my brilliant friend Leo the Chameleon is taking over to make your basic foundation rock solid. Take it away, Leo.
Hola, amigos! Welcome to your first big step into the beautiful world of Spanish. Today, we are opening up a treasure chest of essentials. Greetings and introductions. To start any conversation, you just need a warm hola. Or in the morning, buenos dias. As the day moves along, the greetings change with the sun. Let's look at the afternoon. In the afternoon, we say buenas tardes. Try saying it with me. Buenas tardes.
And when the stars come out, we wrap up the day with a cozy evening greeting.
Buenas noches. We say that for both good evening and good night.
See how easy that is? Just 3 simple phrases to master the clock in Spanish. Now, let's practice together. Imagine you just met a friend at lunchtime. What do you say? That's right! Buenas tardes! You are already getting the hang of this. Excellent job! A good greeting opens every door. Now, let's level up our conversation. Now that you've said hello, people want to know who you are. Let's talk about your identity. To say your name, use the phrase me llamo, follower by your name. For example, me llamo Leo. Now it's your turn. Say me llamo and insert your name right here. Try it out. Fantastic! Next, people will want to know where you come from, your nationality. Soy colombiano. I am Colombian. Or you could say, soy americano for American. Or soy español for Spanish. Simple, right? Notice that little word, soy? It means I am. And we use it for one more important thing. Your profession. What you do for a living. Or what you are studying right now. We use soy again. Soy profesor means I am a teacher, just like me. If you are a student, you would say,
Soy estudiante.
see how the pattern works?
Soy estudiante.
Let's put it all together like a puzzle. Me llamo Leo, soy de la selva, y soy profesor. Boom! Just like that, you can introduce yourself completely in Spanish. ¡Qué maravilloso! Now we arrive at a legendary crossroad. In English, you have one simple verb, to be. But in Spanish, we have a dynamic duo, ser and estar. Today, let's look at soy versus estoy. Think of soy as your permanent identity. It's woven right into who you are deep down. It covers things that don't change easily, like your personality, your hometown, and your traits. For example, soy inteligente means I am smart. That's a permanent quality of yours. Now, look at estoy. This is an entirely different vibe. It's temporary. Think of estoy as your mood or how you feel right this second. Estoy feliz. I am happy. If you stayed up late, you might say, Estoy cansado. I am tired. It changes. Estoy is also for location. Wherever you are physically located, use estoy. So, estoy en la escuela means I am at school. You won't be there forever, right? Here is a golden rule to remember. For how you feel and where you are, always use the verb estar. After this difference, and you've conquered one of the biggest hurdles in Spanish. We know how to talk about ourselves now. But what about when we want to talk about others?
Let's meet the pronouns. First is yo, which means I. We already used this one.
Next is tú, which means you when you're talking to a friend or someone your age.
We have él for he and ella for she. Perfect for talking about someone else.
But wait, if you are speaking directly to a teacher, a boss, or an elder, use usted. It means you, but formal. Nosotros means we. It's a team effort, grouping yourself with your friends. Now, if you are in Spain and talking to a group of friends directly, you say Vosotros. It means you all or you guys. Finally, to say they, use Ellos for a group of guys or a mixed group, and Ellas if it's a group of only girls. If you want to say you all or you guys to a group of people directly, in a form way, just use Ustedes. It hangs out right alongside ellos and ellas. Let's chant the singular forms of ser for identity. Yo soy, tú eres, and él, ella, or usted es.
For the plurals, it goes nosotros somos, and in Spain, vosotros sois.
And finally, for ellos, ellas, and ustedes, we use son. Try chanting it. Somos, sois, son. Now let's switch gears to Estar for location and feelings. Watch the endings closely. Start with yo estoy, and then tú estás. Él/ella está. Notice that little accent mark on the a?
Next, nosotros estamos, vosotros estáis, ahora, ellos están. You're doing amazing.
Practice repeating these like a rhythm. It helps your brain store them automatically. Language is all about connecting. Let's learn how to introduce a friend to someone new.
To introduce someone, simply use the phrase Te presento a. Te presento a Mia.
Mia is a doctor, so remember our verb rules? We say, ella es doctora. But a real conversation goes both ways. We need to know how to ask questions. In Spanish, questions are special. We use an upside-down question mark at the very beginning. It's like a visual heads-up to your brain that says, hey, get ready, a question is starting. If you want to ask someone's name, you say, ¿Cómo te llamas? Hear how my voice lifts?
¿De dónde eres? Try to mimic that rising tone.
And to check on a friend's mood.
¿Cómo estás?
See? You are asking real questions now.
Adiós, Leo.
Look at how much ground we covered today. You've unlocked the core basics of Spanish. Keep practicing these phrases every day. Don't worry about being perfect. Just have fun. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, muchas gracias y adiós.